A day in my life, as a burikat, naabot sa Amerika. For today, video day! Good morning, Philippines of the Golden Gate of the River of California, Gold Digger! Kuya Juan. So, nakalimot ko pinti ay kon niya ganina day, video day. Yatay day, oy, kinalingaw ko live ganina day. Oh, karon na day is the started of the video, no? So, I will explain to you what is this. This is the whole of my bugan. And this is the block because, syempre, lago bitag bugan, no? And this is the whole. Oh, di ba? I retouch already day because I'm retard. It takes forever to do it. It's very simple because we don't have talent. I was practicing day. Wag English, oy, trying hard kay mo English ang panuway. Dahil na lang ninyo day ha, mo pagbasbas na ko day. Panukun ta mo ron. Mura mo giatay. Di ba? So, look at me day. Talent po tayo, pagawas ko na to ning talent, sige ra tag supa, kapoy kastanan, sige ra tag bulangkad ani. Paggawas po nato niya to ubang talent, kay ang uban diri magkuan ba, di-judge the cover of the book. Yawa oy. When you don't like me, go away, come again another day. Oh, kining uban kay maglagot ko, pilingon kaayo, mura ra bag man na-achieve silang kinabuhi. Ang bugira. Mura bay na-achieve, magbasbas ako ah. Da! Unya na pang bash oy, kanang nakay na